Bucks lead by 2. 35 seconds remaining in the half. Kukoc again!
Check his tape job on his ankles here as Toni Kukoč off the dribble with a little bit of a head fake to the right and just blows by Patrick Ewing, and nobody for New York can get there in time, mainly because that floor is spread, but that close.
Trying to open this one up. Johnson looking for the open man. Mourning comes across. Comes inside. Jump hook by Alonzo Mourning.
Only his second basket. He had one in the first quarter. Tough shot.
Toni goes right by him with the slam. This ball club, Johnny, is starting to attack the basket.
Absolutely, and I love it when you...
Here's Armstrong wide open. Now to 3. It is Kukoc. He hits with the left hand.
Over there, but good penetration. He's seen to be hung up in the air, but found Kukoc, who really deserves a lot of credit in this ballgame, Marv. He has missed some shots poorly. He has really gotten taken on by his coach, Phil Jackson. Scottie Pippen has been all over his case, but he's out there trying to help his ball club any way he can, so you've got to give him a lot of credit for sticking his nose in there and not giving up.
On revoit la plus belle action de notre match, ce 3 points de Kukoc en 1 seconde de temps.
In your face.
Donc maintenant il est vraiment
totalement américanisé.
Un basketteur américain dans toute sa splendeur.
The action. Del Curry fakes the baseline jumper. He'll take it now. And rebound tapped out. Michael's got it with 3 seconds. Down the floor. Toni, 1 second. Stops. It's a 3.
Hey, yes! Toni! The dagger to Waiters. Back on a good side of Phil. In a hurry.
All right. We played 1 period, and the Bulls come back to take the lead by a point over Charlotte.
Double screen. Here's 5. Come on, 5 seconds count. Here's where
gives it back. Toni, long 3.
Yeah! Yeah, Kukoc! Kukoc with a 3! Yes, sir! The Bulls ahead with 1.9, 91-90.
I tell you what, this guy pulls more. I mean, he's like Felix the Cat. Remember Felix the Cat with a bag of tricks?
Here we go, 5.2, Tom. Horace Grant is the man breaking out. He gets it. Toni comes out of bounds. Now this is longer than a European 3 also. What do you find? Nothing but net. Toni Kukoc paying dividends so far here. A long 3 floating to his right. Their big man, Vin Baker, in his face. Toni shows a slight emotion coming back until his teammates get a hold of him.
That's a huge 3.
My, he has silenced his Bradley Center crowd.
Except for the Bulls fans.
1.9 on the clock.
1.8 left. No timeouts left for the Bulls. Myers triggers the inbounds pass. Kukoc for the win! It goes! Oh, brother!
Here he comes, fade away.
Yes, Miller hits a big one. It's not a 3.
With 8/10 of a second remaining, Reggie Miller takes the bows at the stadium in Chicago.
Foot on the line as he took off. He was well behind the line when it let it go, but he was in front of that.
And he celebrated a little, huh?
Yeah, he certainly did. Let's take one more look at it here. He's up past the 3, off the glass. He knew where it went.